Guys, fire alarms suck. Yeah, we need them to be installed for safety. I get that, but they are so loud. Yeah, they have to be loud in order to make sure that people get out of the building if there is an actual fire. I get that, but not to the point where it blows out people's eardrums or scares students with special needs in school. When it comes to fire drills in school, when the teacher doesn't tell me that there is going to be a drill, and when the alarm goes off unexpectedly, I am going to get scared because of the loud noise that comes out of these things. Whoever pulls the fire alarm in my school, I will punch them in the face. Seriously, I will. They deserve it. They deserve to get expelled because what they did was wrong. If you are in the bathroom and then the alarm goes off, like, well, you can't finish your business for no reason, all because of some drill. In my opinion, we should not have fire drills in middle school and high school. Yeah, I know it's for safety, but once we get to middle school and high school, we already know what to do when there is a fire. We already know what to do as soon as that alarm goes off. But for preschool and elementary school, keep these fire drills because they teach younger students what to do when there is a fire and not to go all crazy when the alarm goes off. But once you get up to middle school and high school, we already know what to do, so we need to stop doing these drills. Another bad time when the fire alarm goes off is when you're taking a test. You are taking a test and all of a sudden the alarm goes off. Well, you will fail the test for no reason, all because of some drill. What if you're in the middle of eating lunch and then the alarm goes off? That is going to be ruined for no reason, all because of some drill. Are you serious? The alarm goes off when you're in the middle of eating lunch? You don't do that. What if we're in a real lockdown and the alarm goes off? I am going to be so scared because a criminal came and pulled the alarm. This is what I will do to that guy. Like that. Another bad time for when the fire alarm goes off is when there is a performance at school. It is going to get ruined for no reason, all because of some drill. What if you are doing art and then the alarm goes off and you did so well? You are going to get paint all over your hands because you got scared of the alarm, all because of some drill. Like, come on. These are the people. Ha 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 ha. I'm going to pull the fire alarm. And they pull the fire alarm like, Like, come on. Those are scary. And people that pull the fire alarm without a fire are going to go to jail because it is against the law.
Hello.
Hello, Darth Vader. Don't.
Hello, YouTube. No. Close the door.
Back to the point here. Another bad time for when the alarm goes off is when it is very cold outside and then the alarm goes off. Well, you are going to freeze for no reason, all because of some drill. Like, come on. And you are not in class yet, and then the alarm goes off. Well, you are going to have to go outside and find your teacher for no reason, all because of some drill. Like, come on. What if your school has a swimming pool and someone is swimming in that indoor swimming pool and it's the winter time and it's in a very northern climate and it's cold outside and then the alarm goes off and they don't have time to put on their coats or their winter clothes and they have to go out and freeze in their bathing suits for no reason, all because of some drill? Like, come on. I mean, if it's the first day of school after summer vacation and then the alarms go off, you ruined our first day of school by pulling the fire alarms. Not good. Wait until later to do the first drill. Don't do it on the first day. Like, come on. We just came back from summer vacation, and you are trying to ruin our first day of school by setting off the fire alarm and making our day miserable. Like, are you serious? Just wait until the second or third day of school before they do the first drill. Like, are you kidding me? Thankfully, it's not in my school, but in other schools in the country, I am told that this happens. I feel bad for them that they have to hear that on the first day of school. I mean, no one wants to hear that unless there is a real fire. I mean, I have autism, which means I have sensitive hearing, and the fire alarm scares me when it goes off, especially when my teacher doesn't tell me when there is going to be a drill. When they find out. I mean, I go outside early before the alarm goes off sometimes. When a drill is planned. I mean, when I was in elementary school, I was taken outside before the alarm went off for the drills. And in high school, some days I was outside when it was a nice day, and just in the nick of time, the alarm went off, so I didn't have to hear it as much. I mean, luckily during the last drill, I was already outside when the alarm went off. I mean, my teacher should probably take me outside before the alarm goes off during the drills, so it wouldn't scare me as much. I mean, a lot of my classmates want to be taken outside before the alarm goes off when there's a drill planned, so the alarm doesn't scare them because the sound drives their anxiety through the roof. Like, special education teachers really need to tell their students that there is going to be a drill so they can be taken outside before the alarm goes off, so it won't scare them as much. In the special education classroom, and then the alarm goes off, they are going to get scared if they're not told that there is going to be a drill. Special education classroom, it is unexpected. There is a drill, but the teacher doesn't tell them that there is going to be one, and all of a sudden, out of nowhere, they all freak out, all because of the alarm. Like, come on, tell them when these drills are going to happen. The reason why fire drills really hurt my ears is because the alarm is a horn strobe. There should be a voice evacuation system in every school in this country instead of these ear-piercingly loud horn strobes. What if you're underneath the fire alarm and it goes off for a drill? It is going to burst out people's eardrums for life for no reason. All because of some drill. Like, come on. I wish they would quit pulling the alarm once a month for a drill. I really wish they would stop pulling the alarm once a month for a drill. I mean, all these drills do is scare people and waste time for no reason. For no reason. It's just a drill. Yeah. Seriously, we already know what to do when there's a fire in the school. We seriously know what to do as soon as the alarm goes off. I mean, it's not like we're going to go crazy when the alarm goes off, because we already know what to do. We've been through this since we were 4 years old. We already know what to do when there's a fire in the school. We exactly know what to do as soon as we hear that alarm go off. Seriously, we already know what to do. These drills are state law in the Commonwealth of Virginia. Come on, state. High school should not have these drills anymore. Because we already know what to do when there's a fire. And we exactly know what to do as soon as the alarm goes off. I mean, leave these drills for preschool and elementary school, but once we get to middle school and high school, we should not be doing it anymore, because we already know what to do once we get to that age. When the alarm goes off without even one drill, we will evacuate the building immediately. So we exactly know what to do, so that means we don't have to do the drill, period. Bye!